Thank you for sharing your time with us today so that we may show you this unique new product that will cut your foiling time in half and give you a perfectly even weave. Introducing the Speed Weaver. What you want to do is take a thin section of hair. You can comb through the hair, hold it even between your first two fingers, pull the hair straight down, leaving the comb perpendicular to the scalp, sliding your finger through the middle. As you can see, this gives you a perfectly even weave. That would be a medium weave. Again, you can see from the side, as you pull the hair straight down, that leaves you plenty of room to slide your finger through the middle. You can place the foil by taking a thin section of hair right up against the scalp, and you'll get absolutely no bleeding. For a baby fine weave, take a thin section of hair, hold it even again between your first two fingers, come in at an angle, get all 12 teeth in the hair, straighten it up, pull your opposite hand straight down. Slide your finger through the middle. By getting all 12 teeth in the hair, you have now gotten a baby fine weave. Again, take a thin section, hold it even between your first two fingers, come in diagonally, pull your opposite hand straight down, slide your finger through the middle. Always remember to pull the hair straight down. Get your foil, place it up underneath the scalp, and again, by taking a thin section, the foil goes right up against the scalp. For a chunky weave, take a thin section, pinch it together, get about 4 teeth in the hair. Pull the hair straight down, and as you can see, the sections of hair are now thicker and further apart. By taking a thin section of hair, you can put the foil underneath, and it still goes right up against the scalp. Therefore, you'll get absolutely no bleeding. You can take a thicker section of hair if you're going to do a Gemini perm or piggyback perm. But as you'll see in a moment, you get a zigzag effect underneath. That's why you don't want to take a thick section of hair while doing a highlight.